Hey, hello and welcome again. Today I am going to be sharing with you the another iPhone 12 case that I've gotten, and this one again is from Spigen and the model is called Core Armor. If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below. Core Armor is the slim version of the Armor case, and they have 3 models of which I have shared one before in the previous video, and this one is also made in South Korea, and I am very excited to share with you why I chose this particular slim armor. It is a cushion protected, it has all the technology of the high-end cases that you will find in the market, and it is widely available especially through Amazon, which is the official distribution for Spigen. So without further ado, let me share with you the key specifications of this case. It is military specs tested, that means it will protect your iPhone 12 thoroughly, and it is something that is very light and it is encased in a simple packaging like an Apple iPhone, which I will be opening right now, and as you can see this is a splendidly made matte black case, which I've chosen because I would be buying the black-gray colored iPhone 12, and it will match it correctly. It's specifically made for that model, and it has the web technology at the back which will make this case highly absorbent of any falls or pressure on the back and sides, and also you can see that the fittings on over the switches as well as the lens is very well made. It is highly elevated and the lens will not be touching any surfaces, whether you drop it or you put it on the table. As you can see, the matte finish at the back is pretty nice. It has a horizontal as well as diagonal line, although the screen of the iPhone 12 has increased to 6.7 inch from 6.5 inch, and that's a result of slimming of the bezel, and as you can see I am going to now share with you the way to purchase it. The best is to purchase it on Amazon, which is the official distribution channel for Spigen worldwide, and I've put the links below, and you can distinguish this model with the horizontal stripes across the back, and it's not available in all markets, so if you were to buy this on Amazon you are guaranteed to receive the right model. So if you have any question, please put them down below and I'll be very glad to entertain them, and if you like this video and share this I would greatly appreciate it, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any more reviews in the coming future.